Hello, my name is Ryan Brenner, founder of Yudae Wellness in Austin, Texas, and inventor of this card game, a way to train super easy and build your own workouts. Originally, this mini workout was supposed to be 3 cards, but the last one didn't film right, so it's just the first 2. First card, block A, is going to be called legs, doing a staggered stance deadlift, and then we're doing reverse lunges. Second card, block B, is dead swings, and here we're focusing on swings on left and right side, and then dead stop swings to work on some power. So grab yourself a kettlebell that is moderate to heavy, and we're going to start with the staggered stance deadlift. So bell in front of the foot that is back, and you're going to focus on pulling all the way up and squeezing your glutes at the top. You want to take just a fraction of a second pause just to really squeeze your glutes. That's going to help make sure that you're getting all of the benefits and the gains that you can get out of this exercise. And then once you finish those reps, you're going to go to the other side and knock those out. Then after that, you're going to go straight into reverse lunges here. You want controlled on the way back and explosive on the way up, but not so much that you lock your knee. And you're going to follow the card, take a rest in between, and then you'll do both those exercises back to back. So second card, dead swings, we're going into single-sided kettlebell swings. You're going to do 10 on one side, and then when you finish that, you're going to swap to the other side. You saw me swap at the top, but you can do it at the bottom as well. And you're going to knock out 10 on that side, and then when you finish with those 10, you're going to set the belt down in front of you, grab it with both hands, and hike it back like a football and pop it up. Super explosive. This is going to work on a lot of explosivity that you would get from or that is beneficial for athletic training. So recommend this for all athletes of all kinds. It really is a great exercise. And then after this, you would go into block C after you finish your respective sets. But because this didn't film so well, I'm just going to cut this part from the video, and we'll just make it a mini workout with 2 cards. So I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will be making more of these. Have a good one. Bye for now.